Hi everyone, Carlos here, and today I come to show you some of the latest updates we've done to the GetLate integration with n8n, because we've been listening to your suggestions and error corrections that you detected on this integration, so I'm pretty happy to show you how we have improved the way you can use this integration. So let's dive in. First off, we obviously have to install the n8n node. And basically n8n will automatically detect the latest version, which in this case is 0010. So once we have this, let's go to the workflow. We'll remove this node and add a new one. And I will show you the best feature that I believe we've done to this change. And it has to do with the create post operation, because in the past you had to introduce some fields using a JSON object, and many people didn't know how to use it. So that's why we have done this change. And now you can use every single field without introducing a single line of JSON object. And you can do everything using dropdowns and built-in objects that n8n has. So now when you have to create a post, you obviously have to select your credential first and then select the operation that you want to do, which in this case is create a post. And now you just have to type the description. We'll type hello just for the sake of the demo. Then we'll select the date for which we want to publish this post. In case we want to publish it immediately, we could just select this button right here. Then any field, if we want to customize our post, we won't do it. And then another great change is that you now can specify the platform without having to do it with JSON. You can select one of the platforms that you see here. As long as we update the application, you will receive new platforms here, for example, Pinterest and some others that are going to come. And you just have to select the platform, and we will automatically detect if you have an account connected with that platform and suggest it to you using this drop down here. So you just have to select the account, and now you have to type the media items that you will send on this request. This was done in the past using JSON objects, so now you just have to introduce the URL. I'm going to invent one, and then once you have this URL, you just have to specify the file name that you are going to assign to that media item, test.jpg. And once you had this, you could send this request and everything will work perfectly. You can do the same when you update a post. For example, you select here the platform and the same that I was showing a moment ago. So we believe this will make things much easier for you when using this integration. And if you have any other suggestions, we are more than happy to listen to it, or you can publish it on the public roadmap that you have on the URL you will find in the description. So thank you very much and see you in the next one.